For the last year, nothing in my life has gone missing. Not tasks, not habits, not money. What you are seeing here is my live productivity system, not a demo, not a fresh setup. This is the system I have been running my life on daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly. Behind this dashboard is one simple idea. I don't pretend I am consistent. I try misses instead of ignoring them. If I skip a habit, it marks missed. If I delay a task, it shows up in backlog. If there is a financial obligation, it doesn't disappear ever. That's why consistency did not come from motivation, it came from visibility. I'm going to show you what it does, how I actually use it, why the system works in real life, not just in theory. If you are someone who plans well but still forget things, drop tasks, or silently ignore stuff, this will make sense very quickly. Hey everyone, this is Anup from Bayesian Labs. Let's get into it. Let's first start with what the real problem with productivity is, how things quietly disappear, how your schedule does quietly disappear. So let me start off with a quote by Peter Drucker: "What gets measured gets managed." So productivity doesn't fail loudly; it fails silently. Tasks and payments and habits don't fail; they get forgotten. Most systems make it easy to ignore reality. That's why oh, this is the, if you can see, this is my system which can be duplicated. The link is in below. So what here it is, there is a basic Eisenhower matrix from which you can add any urgent and important, not urgent and important. So these are one-time tasks. You can add them. Yeah, the first step, as soon as you come to this system, is you need to edit the personal details. Just change the name, nothing else. Everything else is just formula which are shown here. Afterwards, you can create scheduled. Afterwards, just check which of the ones are eligible for you or not. Which of these habits, tasks, which of these tasks, financial obligations, and all are eligible for you. It and delete the rest of them and add whatever you can add from this button. As another task will be added from this button. Here you will see your name and what habits to do, daily habits, weekly habits, all those kind of things. Um, so why this, if you can see habits to do that, so there is a current streak, there is a max streak, there is total times. You can put the max streak goals, current streak goals. So what the complete does is increase total times you have completed, increases your current streak. If the current streak is more than max streak, it will increase the max streak. Not completed reduces the current streak to zero and does not include this. And postponed maintains the streak without increasing the total times. Postpone can be done if you are on a trip. So a lot of those things don't matter when you are on a trip or when you are very ill and all those kind of things. So that your streak is maintained, right? It's something like a goal thing. Uh, yeah. So let me just down with the. So these are the two main things as in our matrix and scheduled tasks. So what it does is, see, this scheduled task is uh, put in daily, right? So as soon as I do a complete, what it does is it was scheduled. Yeah, it was scheduled for December 6th. It went to December 7th. Again, I do it. It's December 8th because it's scheduled daily. Here all it's scheduled weekly. So December 8th was the time, and I have also given it Friday and Monday twice. So December 8th, you can see December 8th is a Monday. So next it needs to be on a Friday, right? So when I do complete, it will go December 12th, which is a, yeah, which is a Friday. Next it will go December 15th, 19th. That's how it will work for everything. For by monthly, it will be whatever date it is, whatever next date I have put in at the very start, will go for the next one. So that's how this works. Even if I do postpone not completed, it goes to the next one. How it tracks misses and does not remove anything is, see, if I have this. just because I haven't eaten it today. See, this is a backlog. All the red ones are backlogs. Uh, like if I change this, so next date is where this goes. Okay. Uh, if I do it February 3, which is after today, so you will see it's in future, it is not there. If I put it today, it will be in green. So you can see the backlogs. And just because I did a yesterday's task today, I need to put it not completed. I can't just do it today and forget about it. Right, forget that I did not do it. I need to put not completed for yesterday also. I'll only get today's task after I have measured did I do it yesterday or not. That's how it tracks this. Yeah. So this is more honest to you. It's not like I did a 2 days, 3 days I need to. What this helps is that stress comes from ignoring things you shouldn't be ignoring. Right. So you put all the scheduled one, daily ones, even the simple ones. I put brushing here, not because anything which even feels any tasks or habits or financial obligations which causes even a slight discomfort can be put in here. But if it doesn't cost you have, it's already a habit. It's something you don't feel any stress doing. Even a small thing, if you don't feel any stress doing, don't add this into it. And as soon as it becomes a habit and you don't at all feel stress for few months, you haven't felt stress doing this task or habit, remove them. Because adding extra to complete is also not good. Then you will postpone following this template. So you need to keep on working on it as it helps you. You can't just right. Yeah, I think I'll just show how to go to yeah. So here all the required columns are put in here. You had to name how much time you take to complete. Which so if repeat time is weekly, then only you will select the days of week. Otherwise, you won't. So what's the first date for this task? Right. What is the time it needs to be visible, and that's it. So this entire system works like an external brain. It remembers what I shall forget, tracks what I shall avoid, and surfaces what actually matters. Habits, tasks, and financial obligations don't live in my head anymore. They live here daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly, without me babysitting them. If you are already using Notion and you are tired of silently dropping things, this system removes friction you don't even realize you are carrying. The template is linked below, clone it, adapt it, break it, make it honest. That's the point. And if this changed how you think about productivity systems or visibility, you shall probably like the rest of my videos in this channel. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.